Hello, we are at 1605 Clay and this is apartment 12. Coming in the front door of the unit, you come right into the living room. Nice big living room, tall ceilings, gets great natural light. This is the corner building on Clay at 16th Street. So there's that intersection there. All right. Okay, heater for this room. Thermostat, breaker box for the unit. Have a nice updated kitchen. European style fridge with the freezer on the bottom. Dishwasher. Have a double farm style sink and a disposal. Microwave above the glass top electric stove. Butcher block countertops and subway tile backsplash. Here in the bathroom, we have matching subway tile, double vanity. There are drawers here for storage underneath each. Okay, we have a rain shower head. Each unit in this building has its own on-demand hot water system and in-unit washer dryer. Okay, bathroom here has tiled floor. Okay. Bedroom. Got a nice crown molding detail here in the bedroom. I'd say you could do a king or a queen, although I think a queen would look best. And please excuse, we have a tiny little bit of paint touch-up to do here in this room. It's 4th of July weekend right now. This unit just became vacant, so we will get that done here in the coming week once we're past the holiday. All right, heater for this room there. And then this room here, also individual heater for this room. This could be a home office. You could convert it to a second bedroom if you'd like, but it does not have a closet. And this is an interior bedroom here looking out onto the light rail for the building. And again, please excuse our paint touch up here. Okay, so that is a quick look at the unit. Please send me an email and I'm happy to let you know when we're having the next virtual open house. We're doing that by Zoom meetings. And then we can also talk about the application process and how we're handling in-person showings right now during the shelter in place. Thank you so much for watching.